Ever wonder why your hair is so lifeless? Could it be that your shampoo is letting you down? Dry, dull, and weak hair? It's frustrating. Split ends got you feeling like a mess? Blame it on the wear and tear of daily life. Your hair might just need the right kind of TLC. Meet L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 shampoo, packed with pro-keratin and ceramide. Bye-bye damage. Strengthens each hair fiber, super quick. Leaves your hair smoother, silkier all day. Adds that healthy shine, like top-tier glam. Grab it now and let your hair do the talking.